Mastering the art of self-timers in photography. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, self-timer, and how it's used in the world of photography. Whether you're taking a group photo or a solo portrait, understanding the self-timer feature can be a game changer. Let's dive in. A self-timer is a function available on most cameras and smartphones. It allows you to set a delay between the time you press the shutter button and the time the photo is actually taken. This feature is incredibly useful when the photographer wants to be in the photo but needs to be hands-free or is taking the photo without assistance. Self-timers are perfect for a variety of situations. Group photos where you want to include yourself. Self-portraits that don't look like selfies. Avoiding camera shake for a sharper image. Taking photos with a tripod for stability. Setting up a self-timer is usually straightforward. 1. Place your camera on a stable surface or tripod. 2. Set the self-timer mode through your camera's menu. 3. Choose the time delay, which can typically be 2, 5, 10, or even 20 seconds. 4. Press the shutter button, step into the frame, and wait for the camera to capture the moment. Practice the timing to ensure everyone is ready. Check the focus before setting the timer. Use gestures to prepare your group when the photo will be taken. That's all there is to using a self-timer. With this handy tool, you can capture moments without missing anyone in the shot, including yourself. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll be a self-timer pro in no time. Happy photographing, and see you in the next video.